All right, so this says a PB&J trail mix is made up of combining 4 ounces of peanut butter with 6 ounces of grape jelly. The ratio table has been started to show the relationship with different batches of trail mix. Okay. So the amount of peanut butter in the trail mix is this column, and the amount of grape jelly in the trail mix is in this column. Okay. However, we have 4 ounces of peanut butter jelly. So there's 4 ounces of it. So that means that we have to look for 4 ounces in our peanut butter column. And then we have 6 ounces of grape jelly, which means we have to find grape jelly, a 6 in our grape jelly column, which I don't see either. So that means I need to add another column for that. So I'm going to add a 4 for peanut butter and a 6 for grape jelly. So looking at 4 and looking at 6, I need to determine, is the pattern going across or am I going to be going down? And looking at this, I can't do 4 times anything to get me 6, and I can't do something times 4 to get me 6. So I know for that, then the pattern is going down. Okay, so now I have to look and see, okay, whatever I did to one side, I have to do to the other side. And so what did I do to 4? So what did I do to 4 to get to 8? Well, 4 times 2 gives me 8. So that means 6 times 2 has to give me 3. Okay, I'm sorry, 6 times 2 is 12. Right? So then we move our noodle down and we move our noodle down. We have to sit here and say, okay, well, we did the 2, so we don't need that anymore. So we have to do 4 times something. Well, that's blank. So 6 times what gives me 18? 6, 12, 18, so that's 3. So 6 times 3, 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. So now I'm going to move my noodle, move my noodle. Erase the 3, erase the 3. Well, I did 2, I did 3, so now there's both blank boxes, so I have to do 4. So 4 times 4 and 6 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. So now I'll move my noodle, move my noodle. I'm going to do 4 times what gives me 20? 4 times 5 gives me 20. And then I got to do the same to the other side. So 6 times 5 is 30. So then I'll drop my noodle down, and ask myself, okay, well, they're both blank, so I did 2, 3, 4, 5. I might as well have put 6. So 4 times 6, 6 times 6. So 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 times 6 is 36. So now we have to use this table that we have created, and we have to figure out how much ounces of peanut butter will we have for every 18 ounces of jelly. So I'm looking for grape jelly, and I'm looking for 18. Well, I found it, 18. So since I found that grape jelly being 18, let me highlight that so you can see where I'm at, being 18, I just go right across, so that means that I'll be using 12 ounces of peanut butter for every 18 ounces of grape jelly. So 12 is my answer. Okay, and that is a review from yesterday.